Hello, welcome to Sun Signature Online Maths class. We have a problem on the board. It's just concluded Waec problem 2025, question number 22. Simplify the square root of 200 minus the square root of 72. Now, this is a surd problem. And what are surd? Surds are values that does not have a perfect square root. So mathematicians have developed a way of evaluating this kind of problem. Now we need to think of two numbers that when we multiply, one of them must give you a perfect square. That is to say, one of them must have a perfect square, which is a square root. Now, what times what will give me 200? 4 times 50. Okay, 4 times 50. So instead of writing 200, I can convert 200 to become 4 times 50. So I can write this as the square root of 4 times 50 minus the square root of what? 72. What times what will give me 72? 9 times 8. I can write it as what? 9 times 8. Okay. Now you can see that I have 4. The square root of 4 is what? 2. And the square root of 9 is what? 3. So I can write this as what? 2 the square root of 50 minus 3 the square root of what? 8. Okay. Now, what can I do here again to give me a perfect square? I can write this as 2 times the square root of what? 2 times 25. Okay? Because 2 times 25 will give me what? 50. And the square root of 5 is 25 is what? 5. Minus 3 times the square root of what? 4 times what? 2. Okay? Because the square root of 4 will give me what? 2. So what do I have here? I can have, because the square root of 25 is 5, I can have 2 times 5, the square root of 2, minus 3 times 2, because the square root of 4 is what? 2, the square root of what? 2. 2 times 5 is what? 10, the square root of 2, minus 6, the square root of what? 2. Now, what do I do here? 10 minus 6 is what? 4. So my answer becomes what? 4 the square root of 2. This becomes my final answer, 4 the square root of 2. Don't forget to check me out on my YouTube, also on my Instagram and on my TikTok. I see you in the next video. Bye.